Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I just want to tell you that you can do this to make a good presentation. What you need to do is to format your background, format it according to your taste, then bring in a rounded rectangle as seen. Just bring in a rounded rectangle. Then go to your icon and select a gear icon. A gear icon, the stand-alone gear icon as seen. Maximize it, make it big and set it to both edges of the rounded rectangle such that it stays, or rather stands opposite to each other. You might want to format it to your taste. Just format it anyhow you wish to format it, duplicate it, and take it to the other side. And also don't forget to format the rounded rectangle. So I decided to make it a gradient. Like this. Duplicate the gear icon as seen and place it at the other side of the rounded rectangle. We're going to bring something amazing out of this. Something just so amazing. And if you have not clicked the subscribe button, please click the subscribe button. We are just begging you. It helps us grow more and gives us opportunity to do more. Thank you as you are doing it right away. All right, back to the main course. So you might just want to come with a shape. This is a pentagon, right? Yeah, pentagon. Come with a pentagon, format it to your taste. Yes, it's not compulsory you do a pentagon. You can decide to make any shape of your choice, but for the purpose of this teaching, it's a pentagon we are bringing in. The pentagon is going to be representing our placeholder. That's where we'll be putting our write-up, which is the headings. So format it to your taste. If you want outline to be out, fine. However you want it, make it the way you want it. I told you one of the things that is needed in this is absolute creativity. You need to be very creative in order to get the best out of PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a sweet and a loving, in fact, is a package that is flexible. You can maneuver it to get something out of it, something so sweet and good looking out of it. Okay, as you can see, heading comes in, and after that you might just want to duplicate. For this, it's going to be 8 point duplicate. So I'll be duplicating it into the left. Is going to carry 4. The left gear is going to be carrying 4, while the right gear will be carrying another 4, just like you see. All right, then try as much as possible to make all the shapes independent, just like you are seeing it. Then after which, you might just want to adjust everything, make sure everything is looking the way you want it to look. Just be sure that, okay, now this is how I want it to look. You might actually want to make it colorful. Especially for teachers teaching children, and you want to display. Even in our next class, we'll be designing something on utensils and the likes. I'm sure that should be useful for teachers that are tech savvy, in order for them to have a good presentation. After which, duplicate the slide. Then selecting the first slide now, take all the shapes out, and each of the gears rotate it to 90 degree. 90-degree clockwise, and the other one at the right 90-degree anti-clockwise. You get, so that by the time you are done, you will see the magic. Then you might just want to select the two gears, align them to center and align them to middle, just like you are saying. And because it's the first slide, you might just want to make it a bit big so that it will look it will contain a ample number of space in your slide. You understand? Having done that, just select the second slide and go into transition, switch transition, morph transition. Then just by clicking F5 on your keyboard, and this is what you get. I want to believe this is nice, this is beautiful. So I want to remind you again, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click the notification button so that you'll be the first to see our next video whenever we drop it. See you, catch you in the next video.